phone talk or do a voiceover. In and out, but this is my Camille Rose Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I'm almost out. My hair look like this because I've been wearing it down. I mean, not down, but in like a slick bun for like some weeks. When I be working out, it's more convenient. So, I gotta try to get my hair on top of my head. That's what we trying to do right now. Let me use this. I need to get this up here. Take some Wetline Gel. I'm almost out of everything. Okay, let's soften it up a little bit so it can be more movable. Throughout this video, you will see me switching up from a regular brush to a detangler brush. This just helps the hair move a little better so I can form it to the top of my head. The reason I'm misting my hair with water is because it breaks up some of the old product that's in my hair from previous hairstyles. I'm going to take a Denman brush and water just to make my curls form so they can pop out. After you form your curls, you just want to place all the hair where you want it before you set it into place. And I'm going to set mine into place with a rubber band. After the puff is formed, you just want to slay your edges, and y'all already know I got an edge video on my page, so I'm not going into detail. Pause this video, go watch the edge video, then come back. Again, the water makes the hair more movable so you can set it into place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below different hairstyles you would like to see me achieve, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.